I have a GE breaker box here. Now, you can see there's a lot of open spaces here, and through the years, I guess breakers were taken out, moved around, and for whatever reason, we have open spots. Now, I bought some filler plates, and you could just buy a breaker and put it in there, but that would get expensive real quick. So, these are GE for a GE box. That's a GE load center. So I'm pretty confident that they're going to fit. Now if you have a square D, you probably want to look for square D covers. And you might want to measure them before you go and make sure you get the right size. I'm going to go ahead and pop a couple of these in. And it's real simple there. Now you can see there's a little clip on there. And then clip on the other side. And then go in fairly easy. And that's a lot safer than having that open area. Now continue to fill these up, and then we'll go ahead and fill them areas in, and it'll be a lot safer, especially in the dark. You know, not having open areas in your box. So take a look at your breaker box and make sure that you don't have open areas. And if you do, your home center carries the right plates to cover them up. So as a part of your basic maintenance, your home maintenance, that's an easy thing that you can do to make your breaker box safe. Especially if you have an older box, definitely a lot more chance of this happening to your box.